When your party member dies and leaves that ugly gap in your UI, stop managing your RPG party the hard way. Introducing a complete, professional-grade party member system, built natively for GDevelop. Manage active and reserve members effortlessly. The system automatically reorders your party, removing gaps and keeping your battle interface clean. Or take full control. Use a built-in cursor to manually swap any party member's position on the fly. Perfect for strategic formations. Built on a rock-solid, array-based architecture, your party's visual order is perfectly synchronized with its data always. No more desyncing. Fully commented, scalable, and no extensions needed. Ready to build your epic adventure? Get the complete system today on itch.io.